how to turn off notification on Litmatch app. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can turn off notification on the Litmatch application. So how do you do so? The first step is to log in into your Litmatch application, just like I've done here, and then scroll down to the bottom right corner and click on your avatar icon. Once you've done that and you're brought to your profiles page, you can see your profile picture by the top left corner and all of that. Then move to the top right corner where you can see some icons and click on the gear icon, which should bring you to your settings page. Once you're on this page, you can see options like switch mode, edit profile, change avatar, notifications. So click on notifications. So on this page, you can see a number of notifications. So in order to turn it off, just move to the right side and then click on the toggle, and then you see hide message notification. You no longer receive any message notification from Litmatch friends. Click yes, and then your notifications would be turned off automatically. That is it. This is how you can turn off notifications on Litmatch. Thank you for watching and have a good day.